Hello, I'm Ian. This is a quick video to show how to cut out an image in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have an image. I drag and drop into Photoshop to open the image. Next, we can make a selection. We can go to left toolbar. We can use Marqueee tool. This is rectangular Marqueee tool. We can make a rectangular selection, or we can use elliptical Marqueee tool to make a elliptical selection, or press shift to make a circle selection, or we can use Lasso tool to make a freeform selection. In this tutorial, I want to show how to select the girl in one click. So we can go to Window and show contextual taskbar. And then we can have the button select subjects. Click and wait a moment. So the girl is selected. Next, we can cut out the image. Make sure that we have the layers. If you don't have layers window, we can go to window and show layers window here. Now I go back to this and make sure that we select the image that we want to cut out. And then we can press Ctrl X to cut it out. But because we have the white background in the color, so we can see the white color. If you want to have transparent, I go back first. I press Ctrl Z to go back. And then we can use double clicks to create a new layer and then press OK. So this is a new layer. We can do it again. We can press Ctrl X to cut it out. Now if you want to place the girl in the same place, we can create a new layer and then we can press Ctrl Shift V to place in place. So I make the background invisible so we can cut out the image. Now if you want to duplicate it to the new document, we can use right click and then we can choose duplicate layer and then go to documents, we can choose new and press OK. So a new document is created. So this is how we can cut out image in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Ian. See you in the next video.